Okay, welcome to our first tutorial. Okay, so this tutorial will teach you the very basics of how you want to create the web application using the NetBeans IDE. So this is the view of NetBeans IDE 8.2. So it depends on what you have downloaded, and we use the JDK as the our library. Okay, so first you have to in the menu here, select menu file. Okay, select new project, and here you have to select the Java web. Okay, so in this, normally for the web application, you create this project as web application. Okay, so here is the project name. So we name it as a hello world. And here is the project location. So this is normally created for your folder NetBeans project, and you can create your own folder. So for example, here I create for this folder. So this is my own folder. It's up to you. So when you want to create the new folder, you just can browse your file and create the new folder for you. Okay, so then this is as it is, and next. So here, when you look at the server and setting here, look at this server. It should be your Glassfish server. Okay, and this Java 8e version, you can select whatever the Java that you have downloaded. Okay, so this is the latest for Java 8e7. Maybe there is a latest one, but this, my computer used this Java 8e7 web. So here, when you make a project name as hello world, so we call it as a context path. So this we call as context path with this backslash here. Okay, all right. So there is for the server, there is if you download other server, Apache and other server, so you can select here. But for our class, we will use Glassfish server. Okay, and next is you can select framework, but for our class, we will not use any framework. So we just click finish. Okay, all right. So when you look at here, this is generate for you. This is index.html. So when you look at this project that you have been created here, hello world project. Okay, so for this folder web pages, there is index.html that just created for you here. Okay, there is the normal template, and there is a source package where you build your Java or Servlet code here. Okay, so look at the library here. So if you download the JDK 1.8, so it should be listed here. And if you have download the server of Glassfish server, so it should be displayed here. Okay, so this is the configuration file. All right, so basically this is what you get for the first basic project. Okay, so here we just want to create the not dynamic page yet. Okay, so this is this is the static page. So this is the normal of HTML file. Okay, so hopefully you're familiar with all these text. This is the beginning of the text for the HTML, and this is the how you open and close the HTML tag, header, title, body. Okay, so for example here, I want to make it the title for H1. Okay. So here I want to make it display hello world. Okay. So when you want to save this file, okay, index.html, you just make it here, or Control S based on your shortcut. Okay, so for example, for I'm using Mac, so there is command. This is the shortcut for the save. Okay. Okay, so here you will look at this, whether you want to use what browser that you want to use. Okay, so there is several browser here. So if you want to use Chrome, you can use Chrome. When you want to use Safari, you can use other what you prefer lah. Okay, and here is where you want to run the file. So basically this is not created the servlet. This is the client side part. Okay, we just want to show you that is can be run. Okay, so run that file. So if you look at here, it keep running. That it somehow it is built successful. So you can check. Okay, so here if you look at this browser, okay, so it's display this localhost 8080 is the name for the port for this server. Okay, so and then this is your project name, hello world, and this is where you display the client side for the word hello world. Okay, so for this maybe you can create the title here. For the title you can change here. Alright, so that is the first basic tutorial.